All right, drone video of a huge property up at Lake of the Ozarks. We're over the property looking north toward the lake, and we're kind of going up and slowly flying south at the same time to get a better overview of the property. So this is actually 3 tracts that we have put together as one, so a total of 163 acres. We've got 102 acres on the west, and then on the east we have a 54-acre tract, and on the northeast a 6-acre tract. So altogether 163 acres if our math is right. Kind of like a pyramid almost in shape. If you look at the road going diagonally from the lower left corner of the screen up toward the water, it sits to the right of that, and then that road comes up right by the lake and goes back down, and as it goes toward the lower right corner of the screen, it's sitting to the left of that. You can check out the map and everything else to really see the specifics, but right almost at the bottom of the screen there's a little red speck just to the right of center, and that's the pickup truck that's on the easement road at one of the openings on the property. If you look way off to the right, you can see a meadow. That's a large, beautiful meadow on the property, and it actually borders Pearson Creek for, I believe, a couple thousand feet on that east side. So, I mean, in the 2-minute drone video, we can't even say a fraction of what's going on with this property. But I mean, if you want a short video overview, this isn't too bad for that. So that's Dodds Camp Road, like I said, that you see there, a gravel road, which borders the property in a couple spots. It runs with the property, but there are some small residential lots between the gravel road and the property, although it does have access, like I said, in several locations. Gonna have some awesome lake views, phenomenal hunting, as well as that live creek and a meadow and trails, and pretty amazing tract. We've never had one quite like this. So hit us up at InstantAcres.com to see if the property's available, or just shoot us an email at sales@InstantAcres.com, and we would love to chat with you about this property.